Hi everyone, in today's job we've got this kitchen tap that apparently is stopping water. So let's see what's going on. So we initially pry open the lid and you have to undo this screw. You know, since I was little, I've always loved to repair things rather than replace. But this is called the tap gland. So I've already shut off the valve for the main, for the whole building. So as it seems, the washer, the elastic washer, is stuck there. So I'm trying to take it out. There we go. So this is really old and it's never been replaced or changed. But the holding screw has gone inside. So let's see if I can take that out. There we go. Okay, so we give this a little clean. You know, in life you can replace a lot of things, but you can't, the only thing you can replace is people. And that's why even in my work as a handyman, I always try to repair things rather than replace. However, this is what we have to do in the material world. Although I believe matters also have feelings and emotions, but they're obviously much different. Their purpose and their design is much different than us humans. So, but here we are in the material world. We replace things, and that's how it is. But I've never replaced anyone in my life. I value human life way more than other things healthy. I never give up on people. I always try to ask my friends how they're feeling, what they're up to, and if for any reason someone is feeling down, I try to stick to the matter and get to the bottom of things. See, why is someone feeling not as good? And I try to be a source for hope and healing for people around me, and that's a privilege. This is what I love about my job. I keep meeting people, and in sharing positivity and energy with others is what gives purpose to my job. And you don't have to necessarily work as a doctor to make people feel good about themselves or change people's lives. You can make impact in any capacity that you are. And I've always wanted to work for myself, and this job allows me to do that, and I'm sure it's gonna lead to some more major change in my life. And being authentic and honest is what I'm trying to build my life on, and hopefully in a few years I could look back at this. You see that the knot here is still attached. I will look back at today's video, and I'll thank myself for having made the decision to work for myself, be it starting off with basic skills like being a handyman. Is creative. I like creativity and I like to be independent. What that means is I like to go by my own intuition, and I like to design my own business and my own network. So you gotta start off from foundations. You know, in physics principle, you build things from the laws, but there are more things more fundamental than laws themselves, and that's love. Also synonymous with consciousness in a way. That means what we broadcast to people around us is way more important than how much money we earn, or how many hours we work, or what the status we have, or what kind of job it is. And so yeah, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video so far, and let me know if you like this type of videos where I just speak about anything while I'm working. I think I started to like doing that because people have been commenting and telling me, why do you not speak in your videos? Why do you only have like generic music and there's no voice to it? One of the first videos that I uploaded had my voice in it. I was giving instruction about how to repair a door handle. You can go down and watch that. However, I'm realizing if I just speak my mind, what is going on in my mind and in my heart, that is way more interesting for my audience, and I also enjoy it. So yeah, let me know guys what you felt. This was completely unscripted and my first go at speaking while I work, so hope you enjoy it. Now I'm gonna clean everything and I'm gonna test everybody. Okay, so that's this job done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please comment and give me your opinions about how you like my further videos, my future videos to look like. Thank you. So guys, this is the main stop tap for the building, and I'm going to turn it on to test the new gland that we just installed. So it's very tricky to get in here. I almost have to lie down completely in. So I'm gonna stick my camera here. So here we are. You can see the water going already, which is good. I need to be quick.